Multiply 0.03 by 12 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 2. 2 times 3 is 6. The first partial product is 6. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 3 is 3. The second partial product is 30. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the tens column, bring down 3. The whole negative number product is 36. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 36 becomes 0.36. So 0.03 times 12 is 0.36.